Hi, welcome to Nothing But Bags. I call this space Nothing But Bags because when I'm getting ready to go somewhere, my outfit is an accessory, my handbag is the main event. Whether this is your first time clicking on one of my videos because this channel was recommended to you, or you're one of my returning subscribers, supporters, fellow handbag addicts around here, either way, I appreciate you clicking this video from the bottom of my heart. I apologize for not being on camera. I'm not camera ready. I'm getting my hair done tomorrow, y'all, so bear with me. I just want to come on real quick and talk about my bag of the day. This beautiful Tea Rose Rogue 25 in the color Dragonfruit. I loved carrying this bag today. It was the first time, ironically enough, that I carried this bag after several carries, adding the two shoulder straps to it. I usually carry this bag as a top handle. The Rogue by Coach is a bag that you can carry three different ways, either with a top handle or with the shoulder straps or as a crossbody. I've never added the shoulder straps and carried it that way, but I did this time, and I just thought this was a wonderful carry. The Rogue by Coach is a beautiful tote style bag. It has a zipper compartment in the center and two open compartments on either side. The size 25 is the perfect cube. As you can see, the tea roses that were on the front follow on the back of the bag. It also has some little impressions of additional tea roses on it. It does feature beautiful silver feet as well as reinforced leather strips. And this bag does feature genuine glove tanned leather. So I carried this bag today. I'm helping my cousin out at her urgent care facility right now until she builds up her clientele and establishes a staff. And so I've been changing my bags out every day. And this was the bag of the day. Today is Friday, the 21st, I believe. Wicked, the Good, I think, started today. So pink and green was kind of on my mind. The Coach Rogue is a bag that features two open compartments on the outside of a zip closure. One side has a rather large slip pocket, and in that pocket, I just have my Kleenex tissue. And on the other side of the bag, it features a card slot that I guess you could put cards in. On that side of the bag, I just have my car keys with my air tag on them. Inside the bag, in the zip closure where everything was housed, I had my handy dandy fan that I take everywhere with me. I like this fan because I can actually sit it on the desk and sit my cell phone. Let me see, I have an extra phone case. I can actually sit my phone right there where the fan is and watch YouTube videos with the fan going if I want to. So I love that particular fan. I also had in here a silver Coach, I think these are wristlet pouches in this beautiful metallic that matched the silver hardware on the bag. The bag also features, and I love this about it, some of the hardware on the bag actually features the same pink material as the leather for a monochromatic look. I think that is absolutely gorgeous. But the zipper and the zipper pulls are silver along with the feet. In this little silver Coach wristlet pouch, this was my bathroom pouch. So in here I have a paper towel, a seat cover, a wet one to wipe off a surface, a couple of perfume samples, emery board. I have a cotton swab in there. I have some soap sheets. I have a dental floss. I have some Purell hand sanitizer in there, a couple of those. I have a Neutrogena face wipe, wet wipe. I also have one of those cloths that you can add water to it and fluffs up to be able to wipe things off. And I have a fingernail clip. And other than that, I just have additional cotton swabs. But this was my bathroom pouch. I love these little pouches. I would want these in every single color of the rainbow. I have one in denim. I have one in silver. I have one in a metallic pink. And I have one in black leather. But these are amazing. They come with a zip wristlet, but I cut that off of here. And I just ordered a zipper pull from not Macy's, a zipper pull from Amazon that you just attach to the zipper here with that little clip. And I just love these things. I think they're absolutely awesome. They're the perfect little size. I have my matching card holder in here. It's quilted in the same color Dragonfruit. I have a additional charger case so that I can charge my cell phone. What I like about this one is it has several plugs. I can charge my AirPods. I can charge my cell phone. I can charge my fan if it goes dead with that feature. And I also have a USB as well. So I love this one because I don't have to take a bunch of cords. Love that charger. I have this Victoria's Secret cosmetic pouch. It actually came with a set of 3. And I love that it has different color pinks that match the bag. In there, I have some Bath and Body Works lotion, rose hand cream. I have a wipe for my glasses that's also a little flower that's pink. I have some chapstick, some lipstick. I have some hand sanitizer. I have a little pouch for medications. I have some extra picks, dental floss picks. And I also have in here a wipe for my glasses, another wipe, lens wipe for my glasses. And I have a cuticle oil, SC cuticle oil in here. But that's my cosmetic pouch that has anything other than what I would need if I was going to the ladies' room. And like I said, I like that it's pink and it's got the colors of the dragon fruit bag in it. I have a pink mesh pouch that just has my ginger chews, some banana nail laters, if you know, you know, and some Mentos gum in that color pink. And that was all that was in the body of the bag. There is a snap pocket on the back that I keep snapped and use as 2 different compartments. I got that from Dazzle Me 77. In here, I just have my AirPods, and I have, I saw on Kate Bags of Love's channel, she recommended, I don't think this is the same one, but she showed us one of these medication containers, and it allows you to put your day and evening pills in it, and you can just take one out for the day. They have the days of the week on them, and just drop it in your purse, and then when you get back home, put it back in here. And when I saw that on her channel the other day, I went over to Macy's and they had some on sale for Black Friday. But that's all that was in this bag. I absolutely love the Rogue. I would love to have this bag in multiple colors. This is just an amazing tote bag that features all of the things a tote bag features, but still adding that security of that zipper on the inside in the middle. And the 2 straps on the front were just like, my mind was blown when I did that. But anyway, this was my bag of the day. I just absolutely love this carry and wanted to share it with you. Again, I apologize for not being on camera, but I need my hair done very, very badly. Very, 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 very badly. And I'm getting it done tomorrow. But I did want to at least come on and share this with you. The Coach Rogue, if you've been considering this bag, I want to say I've heard in the rumor mill that it's the anniversary of the Rogue or something, and that possibly they're going to be releasing another Rogue for their anniversary or something next year. If they do, I pray that by then I found employment. Y'all pray with me. Because I definitely want to add another Rogue to my collection. This is the only one that I have, but I definitely want to add another Rogue to my collection. It was such a pleasant carry. Again, I had never connected the shoulder straps to this bag before. because I simply love carrying this bag as a top handle, but carrying it as a shoulder bag, it was an excellent strap drop. And I'll try to include that somewhere on the screen now. It was an excellent strap drop. It fell perfectly on my 5'7" frame. And it didn't feel heavy. It felt very comfortable. I was able to fit all of the things in the bag that I wanted to. And this bag is stunning. I mean, the tea roses on it, just the applique of all of those tea roses all over this bag. Some of them are multi-layered. It's two on one side. They're the imprints underneath it. It's just a stunning bag. It is so pretty. And the dragon fruit color is so vibrant and so saturated. This was a fun carry. Anyway, drop down in the comment section and tell me what bag you carry today. Tell me if you have a rogue in your collection, and tell me or tell me if you plan to buy a rogue if Coach does a special rogue for their anniversary. And the only other thing that I'll ask of you is that you have an absolutely wonderful day.